Before this trip, I thought cruise was slow and boring, but in Alaska, I went from driving go-karts in the middle of the ocean to standing in front of glacier taller than a skyscraper all in the same week. Here's what we actually did on our 7-day cruise. Number 1, exploring the ship and sail away party. On day 1, the very first activity was just exploring the ship itself. It felt endless. Pools, jacuzzis, spas, restaurants everywhere, even a go-kart track and laser tag arena on the top deck. We ended that day with the sail away party on deck, music blasting as Seattle faded behind us and Mount Rainier peaking in the distance. That moment felt like the start of a real adventure. Number 2, silent disco. Later that night, we joined a silent disco. Imagine so many people dancing, but everyone is listening through their own music channel on headphones. My husband and I kept switching channels mid-dance, cracking up every time our moves didn't match. It was hilarious. Number 3, observation deck and seminars. During sea days, we spent time in the observation deck, which has this massive windows giving panoramic views of the bow. We also attended diamond and gemstone seminar and even played bingo. Yes, cruise bingo is actually a thing and surprisingly competitive. Number 4, shows and entertainment. We went to multiple shows, but the choir of men blew us away. It wasn't just singing, they pulled audience members on stage, and yes, they pulled me too. Embarrassing, but also one of the best memories. We also caught Beatles tribute concert, which had the whole theater singing along. Number 5, specialty dining. We booked teppanyaki, where the chef basically performed a comedy act while juggling knives and cooking. Another night, we tried the Los Lobos, a cozy Mexican restaurant on board. Honestly, dinners felt like events in themselves. Number 6, go-kart racing, water slides and laser tag. On the last day before we reached Victoria, we packed in the big activities. Racing go-karts at sea, yes, actually racing on the top deck with oceans all around you, racing down the Aqua Racer water slide, and even playing laser tag in an open-air Atlantis-themed arena. Picture shooting lasers under the sky with ocean winds blowing. It was surreal, and that's a wrap on everything we did during our Alaska cruise. Seriously, every day felt like a mix of adventure, history, and pure fun. Now, I want to hear from you. If you were on this cruise, what's the one activity you did jump on first? Drop it in the comments. I love reading your pick.